Today, we're going to learn some short, easy English phrases that you can use every day. Get ready to speak like a native. Before we start, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support truly helps the channel grow. Now, without further ado, let's learn how to speak English like a pro. Thank you so much. 1. How are you? 1. How are you? 2. How have you been? 2. How have you been? 3. My name's Lan. Nice to meet you. 3. My name's Lan. Nice to meet you. 4. I'm from Vietnam. 4. I'm from Vietnam. 5. I'm originally from Vietnam. 5. I'm originally from Vietnam. 6. Where are you from? 6. Where are you from? 7. So, where do you call home? 7. So, where do you call home? 8. What do you do? 8. What do you do? 9. What line of work are you in? 9. What line of work are you in? 10. Can you say that again? 10. Can you say that again? 11. Sorry, I didn't catch that. 11. Sorry, I didn't catch that. 12. Could you repeat it? 12. Could you repeat it? 13. I don't understand. 13. I don't understand. 14. I'm not quite sure I get what you mean. 14. I'm not quite sure I get what you mean. 15. That sounds really interesting. 15. That sounds really interesting. 16. Are you serious? That's amazing. 16. Are you serious? That's amazing. 17. I really appreciate it. 17. I really appreciate it. 18. Sorry about that. I didn't mean to. 18. Sorry about that. I didn't mean to. 19. It was great talking to you. 19. It was great talking to you. 20. Hope to see you again sometime. 20. Hope to see you again sometime. 21. What do you think? 21. What do you think? 22. I'd love to join you. 22. I'd love to join you. 23. That would be great. 23. That would be great. 24. I'm not really sure. 24. I'm not really sure. 25. Can I ask you something? 25. Can I ask you something? 26. Do you have any suggestions? 26. Do you have any suggestions? 27. Let's keep in touch. 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 28. I'm just looking around. 28. I'm just looking around. 29. I'm not from around here. 29. I'm not from around here. 30. Could you help me, please? 30. Could you help me, please? 31. That's exactly what I meant. 31. That's exactly what I meant. 32. I completely agree with you. 32. I completely agree with you. 33. I haven't decided yet. 33. I haven't decided yet. 34. It doesn't matter to me. 34. It doesn't matter to me. 35. I'm happy to hear that. 35. I'm happy to hear that. 36. That makes perfect sense. 36. That makes perfect sense. 37. I need a little help. 37. I need a little help. 38. I'll be right back. 38. I'll be right back. 39. Let me think about it. 39. Let me think about it. 40. That's very kind of you. 40. That's very kind of you.